Hi all. Want to introduce our new Zenith Hangar neighbor. You want to introduce yourself?
My name is Stan Schmidt, and I have built this Zenith 750 Cruiser, and I've been working on it for just a year and a half, and I'm about ready to start doing some training on it and everything. And one of the reasons I'm here in Bernie is because I want to have Jamie help me with some of my training and learn more about the airplane. And so he's got some experience in it, and I'm really looking forward to working with him and being here for the workshop they're going to be having at the end of February, and hope to see some of you people there. And anyway, it's just a great airport, and it's I'm really happy to be here.
Yeah. So for that workshop, it's filling up fast. It's February 23rd, 24th here at the Bernie Stage Airport at Mr. J's workshop. So contact Zenith, get your name on that schedule, or just come on out and meet us, and we could talk about experimental aircraft and the Zenith aircraft. So Stan, tell us what kind of Zenith that you purchased here. It's a beautiful plane.
I've got the 750 Cruiser, and I've got the Viking 130 horsepower motor, and the Duke propellers. I've got the Garmin G3X avionics system, and it's been so much fun building this, and looking forward to getting it in the air.
Now, what made you pick the Cruiser over all the other Zenith models?
I went to a number of air shows. One of them was out in Buckeye, one of them was down in Yuma, and started watching the STOL competitions. And then also a buddy of mine lives in Northwest Arkansas, and they're part of the RAF, which is a Recreational Aviation Foundation that's restoring, backcountry strips all over the country. And my good friend, he is doing one by Eureka Springs, Arkansas, and I went to go see him and helped him work on their airstrip, and really got hooked on that type of flying. And I didn't want to buy an old airplane that's way overpriced. And so I thought, I bet I can build an airplane. And so I looked in about, the different varieties and what was interest to me. And this plane fit all the categories. It's a cruiser, so you can cruise at 120 miles an hour, but you can also land on 350 feet. So I'm really excited about all the adventures that I'm going to have in the future.
Well, thanks for all that information, Stan. And again, that workshop is February 23rd and 24th. Come on down, check out Stan's plane. He has a beautiful panel in here, and he's done a beautiful job on it. So we'll see you. Have a great day. If you liked the video, give us a like. Please subscribe. We'll see you next time. Have a good one.
Look forward to seeing you.